Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology effectively. First, create a realistic study plan for your day. Identify the most important topics and those you find challenging, dedicating more time to them. Break your study session into manageable chunks, perhaps 45 minutes of study followed by a 15-minute break. Ensure all your notes, textbooks, and past papers are ready to go, saving precious time. Next, engage actively with the material. Don't just passively read, test yourself frequently. Try to recall key definitions and processes from memory. Drawing simple diagrams, like the structure of a cell or a food web, can greatly aid retention. Even better, explain a concept out loud to an imaginary audience or a pet. This helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Now, it's time to practice and reinforce your learning. Work through past exam questions to familiarize yourself with the question types and common themes. Pay close attention to the marking scheme if available. Instead of just memorizing, strive to understand the why behind biological processes. Spend at least 30 minutes reviewing key diagrams and their labels, as these are often tested. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs better. On exam day, eat a balanced breakfast to fuel your brain. Stay calm, breathe deeply, and trust in the preparation you've done. A positive mindset can make a significant difference in your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.